Welcome back to Cars Updates, where we dive into the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're exploring the highly anticipated 2025 Alfa Romeo Alfetta, a car that pays homage to its storied lineage while embracing modern technology and design. Let's buckle up and take a closer look at what makes this vehicle a standout. Design. The 2025 Alfetta exudes that unmistakable Italian flair. Its sleek lines and aggressive stance catch the eye, showcasing a blend of elegance and sportiness. The front fascia features a bold interpretation of Alfa Romeo's iconic grille, flanked by sharp LED headlights that give it a menacing look. The sculpted body not only enhances aesthetics but also improves aerodynamics, making it both beautiful and functional. At the rear, the distinct tail lights add a modern touch, while the available quad exhaust tips hint at the power lurking beneath the hood. Overall, the Alfetta is a car that stands out in a crowd, drawing admiration from enthusiasts and casual observers alike. Interior. The cabin of the Alfetta is a sanctuary of luxury and technology. Premium materials envelop the interior, with leather upholstery and soft-touch surfaces creating a refined atmosphere. The layout is driver-focused, with a sporty steering wheel and well-placed controls for an engaging driving experience. A cutting-edge infotainment system takes center stage, featuring a large touchscreen that integrates seamlessly with smartphone connectivity. The digital instrument cluster is customizable, allowing drivers to display vital information in a format that suits their preferences. Additionally, the spaciousness of the cabin ensures that both driver and passengers enjoy a comfortable ride, with ample legroom and high-quality sound insulation. Performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Alfetta offers a range of powertrains, including a robust turbocharged engine that delivers exhilarating acceleration. The handling is precise, thanks to a well-tuned suspension system that strikes a perfect balance between comfort and sportiness. Whether you're navigating city streets or taking it out on the open road, the Alfetta feels nimble and responsive. The advanced all-wheel drive system enhances traction and stability, providing confidence in various driving conditions. Moreover, with multiple driving modes available, you can easily switch between a relaxed cruise and a spirited drive, adapting to your mood and the terrain. Thanks for tuning in to Cars Updates. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more automotive insights. Until next time, keep driving with passion.